Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. I curate the products to make sure anything you see on here is worth checking out. And we got additional discounts from BLUETTI. I wanted to share that exclusively here with you. Use our promo code Adventure Tech to get an additional discount on top of the huge deals going on right now. Use the links in the comments or description to get right over to these pages, get a good deal, and help support our channel at the same time, which we always appreciate. This is one of BLUETTI's premium portable power stations. This is for people who want something a little bit nicer. This is the AC200PL portable power station. This is ready for 99% of all devices. AC200PL delivers 2,400 watt rated power, covering most loads in your RV and at your home. Activate powerlifting mode via the BLUETTI app, and you can kick it up a notch and actually run up to 3,600 watts pure resistive loads like cooking stoves, to your plug-and-play RV power solution with D40 voltage regulator, a DC to DC battery charger designed exclusively for your RV. You can directly charge 12-volt batteries with this. So the essentials in your mobile home, such as a mini fridge, air conditioner, tire pump, things like that, are always going to have sufficient power. With this, charge your RV anytime, anywhere. The TT30 port, you can charge your RV directly from the AC200PL, making it a dependable source for energy on wheels. You can charge your laptop, cell phone, and camera while you save your meal in style. Not to mention, you can expand it up to 8 kilowatt hours. Perfect compatibility with the B210P, B230, and the B300 expansion batteries from BLUETTI. So you can customize the capacity to 8.4 kilowatts. Full potential, limitless power. It's never been easier to do this. And it's the fastest charging among the 2 kilowatt hour power stations. It's got accelerated 2,400 watt turbocharging. You can replenish to 80% in just 1 hour, 1.5 hours to full charge. The AC200PL sets a new standard for most competitors in the market, so you can get ready to power up swiftly for uninterrupted power use during your adventures. And like with all BLUETTI portable power stations, you got multiple ways you can charge it. You can plug it right into the wall at home and have it fully charged in 1.5 hours. 1,200 watt max solar can be plugged in and you get a charge in 2.8 hours, which is really nice. And if you connect it directly into the carport, it's 12.5 hours to a full charge. And you got some other options as well, like hooking it directly to lead acid batteries or your generator. You can actually charge it up with your louder generator quickly in just 2 hours, and then use it throughout the day during the hours when you're not allowed to run the generators at campsites and things like that. So BLUETTI AC200PL is one of the premium portable power stations people don't usually talk about. They don't advertise them much, but they are very, very nice, and they got some huge discounts going on. And you can use our promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount on top of that. All these portable power stations are great. You can use them together. You can bring them with you, use them at your home. They are indispensable in my opinion. So use the links in the comments. You can get right over to this page, get a good deal on the BLUETTI AC200PL, help support our channel at the same time, which we always appreciate. And of course, you can subscribe 100% for free just by clicking the subscribe button, but make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these curated products.